Hi, I'm Brad Steinmeier, Enterprise Sales Director at Zia Consulting. Here at Zia Consulting, we've been helping companies solve hard problems around digital transformation, hyperautomation, and content for nearly 2 decades. So I've recently been producing quite a bit of content around hyperautomation, and although I work in all verticals, I kind of specialize in the telecommunication verticals because I had a 20-year career in that field before coming over to Zia, and I understand the problems that technology service providers deal with on a day-to-day basis. So last month, I presented a webinar on hyperautomating the service to delivery process, or what some people call the provisioning process. And in my webinar, there was a section I briefly touched on called automating business processes. And this is really a key to success when a company looks at hyperautomating in general. I know that many technology service providers, when it comes to the service the delivery or provisioning process, have some antiquated systems that aren't really flexible. The workflows or tasks, that are embedded in those systems are pretty static. Sometimes there's been a lot of acquisition, so there's multiple systems involved, and an order trajectory can take several different paths, based on, which entity or geographic region it's being sold in. And, that relying on IT or the development team, DevOps, to change that process really ensures that these systems aren't nimble and causes the employee and customer engagement to suffer a little bit. So what if I told you we could introduce some tools that have a low code, no code, drag and drop style interface that allow you to set up seamless and quick workflows that can interface with your systems? And this can be done at the line of business level or at the user level, and really will allow you to, look for improvements in your process, execute those improvements with this, nimble workflow, or deploy and launch a new product offering pretty quickly. So a couple years ago, I wrote a blog about content modernization basics called Workflow and Process Automation that will give you a little more insight on how we help customers solve these hard problems around legacy systems and improve that customer and employee engagement. So please reach out and start a conversation around automating some of your business processes or hyperautomation in general. Thank you and have a great day.